St. Patty's Day shave coming right up. See you in 10 seconds. Something close to that. Okay. Hi guys, thank you for joining me for another shave and scent of the day. Happy St. Patty's Day to everyone out there. Sláinte. I have a little Guinness. I've got corned beef on the stove right now, and I want to get the shave done before I have to pull the corned beef. Then I've got some cabbage and some carrots, onions, and potatoes. And we're gonna have that for a nice little din. It's actually kind of lunch-ish time now. Hang on just a sec. Sorry, forgot my Allen block. So we're gonna get into quick shave. I shaved like a day and a half ago. I shaved kind of late afternoon on Friday with Nate on Instagram. So I'm just gonna do a little cleanup before going back to work tomorrow. Just finished a shower, had a little air dry cream in my hair, just kind of softening and whatever, good stuff. So today's soap, Murphy and McNeil Cat Sidhe, which is a dupe of Tom Ford Neroli Portofino, which I absolutely love. I've got the matching splash. I had to go Murphy and McNeil. It's St. Patty's Day. It's not McNeil, it's McNeil. Brush is my custom black sparkle from Ryan Tansey at Turnings by Tansey. And from Jason at TRC, the aluminum razor that he has. And we're using a Wizomat blade in there. So I'm going to do a pretty quick shave here. Like I said, I've been cooking for the day. That corned beef has been going for a good while, but I've cut up most of my vegetables, but I need to kind of trim up the cabbage and get that ready to go in. So I thought with this little time that I have and waiting for that to be done, that I would go ahead and get a shave in. So here's the soap. I've had this for probably 3 years, and it still is just as soft as it can be. This was like one of the first, or the early days of Murphy and McNeil. And this shipped like when it was really hot in Texas, and it came this way. And it would actually run from the side of the tub to side of the tub. Now it's actually solidified, but it still is extremely soft, which is fine. It's still got scent there, and that's what matters. All right, and I don't want to push too hard on this because, like I say, it is still pretty soft. So I'm going to say that's probably good enough. If it's not, then I'll go back to the tub, but more often than not, it's enough. All right. So let's get her going. Do you guys have plans for today? How many of you are eating corned beef and cabbage? Or like they call it up here in New England, boiled dinner. It's boiled dinner. I certainly don't eat a lot of corned beef. I'm not a huge fan of corned beef. Once a year, and then in a Reuben sandwich or corned beef hash, I'm good. But for this day, I always do corned beef and cabbage, or boiled dinner, whichever you want to call it. And I do enjoy the cabbage, and that's not something I eat all the time either. But I sure do enjoy it when I do make it. Roast cabbage, braised cabbage, boiled cabbage, whatever. I do enjoy a big wedge of braised cabbage, though. Very nice. Very gaseous, but very nice. Unless you really overcook it, and then it smells like farts. Before that becomes reality. All right, I think we're good enough here. I'm not going to go crazy with this. I don't have a whole lot of growth, a day and a half-ish. So let's get her going. Had a really nice time on BBS Live this week. Thank you for everyone that came out for that. I don't mean you came out, that showed up for it. Nice little razor. This thing surprises me every time I use it. Perfect for a newbie. There's like no blade feel. But it still does a great job. It's got these nice lather channels. You can see the lather in there now, but I'll show you the clean channel. You see, I don't know, here. There we go. Now you can see the channel right there below the blade. Anyway, really nice. Does a great job. Sometimes I can't tell if this guy is shaving, but then I look and the stubble is gone, so it is. Just a really good way to get started in wet shaving if you're, you know, kind of timid about doing it. If you have any worry about cutting yourself, this guy would be the one to go with. You'll have to work pretty hard to cut yourself. And use a lot of unneeded and unwanted pressure. I don't want any pressure. I don't like pressure. Sung under pressure is pretty good, but that's about all I want for that. I know, it doesn't change. Maybe St. Baddy's Day, but my bad jokes will remain. Just kind of a frothy lather here. I certainly could have added a lot more water to it, but just don't think I need it. Just doing a quickie, just a little quickie. A little lunchtime quickie. Of course, it won't be lunchtime by the time I get this loaded up because I still got some more cooking to do. And that will take precedent over this video. But I'll try and do it in between. I had a really nice 3-day weekend. Watched my basketball Vols get outclassed and will not be getting a #1 seed in the NCAA tournament, so that stinks, but hey, #2 ain't bad. It's the first set of losers. Whew, man, it's warm in this kitchen today. In this bathroom today. I took a super warm shower and I've not cooled down, nor has the bathroom. We're almost there, guys. All right, super quick little cleanup. Sweating pretty good now. Also doesn't help that I've had, you know, boiling going on in the kitchen all day. It certainly heats up the house. Which it's sweltering outside today. It's, I think we almost hit 50 degrees. Hey, I'll take it right now. I will take it. Easy shave. Nice scent on this. Even a few years after it was produced, it still has scent. That's good. Boom, we're good. That's a quickie. All right, get some cold water going. Maybe it'll cool my forehead down too. These, I'm sure these aftershaves have changed since this one, but these are like, I mean, it's like straight up alcohol. I know there's glycerin in there that kind of remains a little tacky, but the alcohol scent right off is like, I mean, it'll punch you right in the face. It'll punch you right in the noggin, right in the dumpling. There we go. Yeah, there's we go. There's that alcohol punch. Still does leave a nice face feeling. A little, like I say, it takes a little while for the tacky to go apart. I think there's so much glycerin in there that it takes a while to soak into the skin. It does eventually, just, you know, it takes a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes before there's no tack left. That feels good. Don't see any misses. Don't see any bleeding anywhere. So let's finish it up with Neroli Portofino by Tom Ford. One of my absolute favorite fragrances. I love it so much. Just a beautiful neroli, citrus, just so good. Light floral, lovely one. All right, folks, thank you so much for joining me. My goodness, my Guinness. I love this Guinness glass. Sláinte and cheers. Hope you have a great day with family and friends, and I will see you on the next one. Peace!